Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a cashew buttercream. Now this is a healthier version of traditional buttercream, which, as you know, is usually loaded with butter and sugar. So this one is vegan, so we're going to use cashews in place of the butter. And cashews, of course, contain healthy fat that helps to lower cholesterol. And this is also a very low sugar recipe. All I'm going to use is 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. So it's a good one, it keeps the sugar content and the carb content really low. And this is a great buttercream. You can use it for icing cakes or for filling cakes or whatever else you would use a buttercream for. So to start with, we need 1.5 cups of cashews, which I've soaked in boiling water for about an hour, and that just helps them to blend a lot better. I'm just going to drain them. So the first stage is we're going to blend everything. And 1/2 cup of coconut cream. Oops. Then just a tablespoon of maple syrup. Oops. And 1/4 cup of melted cacao butter, which of course is from the cacao bean. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla or any other flavoring that you like peppermint essence or any other type of flavoring, orange, lemon, anything that you want to flavor it with. So now we'll just blend it till it's smooth. So now it's a smooth paste. So next step, get a mixing bowl that's been in the freezer for about 5 minutes. And we're just going to transfer the mixture into that. So we just put that in the freezer for about 20 minutes to cool down. So once the mixture's cooled down a little, then we're just going to whisk it with the mixer. So once you've whisked it for a few minutes, then just put it back in the freezer for another 20 to 30 minutes. So I've got it out of the freezer. I'm just adding a little almond milk to smooth it out a little and just beating it again. So I just added about 3 tablespoons of almond milk and I beat it for about 5 minutes. You need to beat it at least that long to get a nice creamy texture, like traditional buttercream. So there you have some delicious cashew buttercream, ready for your favourite cakes. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.